best freshwater fishing rods. The width, length, and flexibility of freshwater fishing rods vary depending on where you're fishing and what you're trying to catch. The best freshwater rods are those that are stiff enough not to break when your fish is on your line, but flexible enough to absorb the tension of a fighting fish without breaking your line. This video is about quality fishing rods, and it will help you learn about the best fishing rod brands on the market. Choosing a new fishing rod can be difficult. Here's everything you need to know about fishing rods so you can pick the best one for you. St. Croix Triumph Travel. The excellent feel of this rod does allow you to detect even the smallest bites and easily set the hook. This rod casts farther and more accurately than the other models in the testing. It also breaks down into 4 pieces and fits into a travel case, which is a big plus for those who like to travel with their rods. The handle's core composition provided a comfortable feel in the hand and notable bounce. Without a doubt, the St. Croix is a high-quality product. So, what's the snag? To be honest, there are no complaints about this rod. It's not as easy to disassemble and reassemble as some other contenders. Still, this is a minor issue in the grand scheme of things. And the St. Croix Triumph Travel remains an excellent all-around ride and our top recommendation. The Daiwa Megaforce Tele Spin. You have to go to great lengths to find fish at times, so having a rod that travels well pays off. It was found out that the Daiwa Megaforce Tele Spin excels in this area. This fishing rod collapses to a minimum size of 1 foot 10 inches and extends all the way up to a 6 foot 8 inch rod, which can be quickly assembled and ready for action or disassembled in a matter of seconds. It has a great sensitive feel for a telescopic rod, and no trouble detecting bites and sensing the lure in the water. When casting, the rod was excellent, going farther than other rods with each cast, which was useful when chasing after the fish that jumped nearby. PLUSINNO 2-piece spinning rod. Check out the PLUSINNO 2-piece spinning rod if you want a rod that can do it all without breaking the bank. This rod lacks portability of some of our favorite models, but it compensates with balance and features. One of our favorites was the ergonomic cork handle, which made all-day fishing a breeze. In terms of the handle, this rod has an excellent reel seat that keeps the reel tightly locked in place. It was also an excellent casting rod, with the line flowing smoothly through the guides on each cast. It also doesn't fold up as small as we like. However, if these issues aren't enough to deter you from saving money, it is recommended to purchase the PLUSINNO 2-piece spinning rod at a low price for a great product. The Ugly Stik Elite. The Ugly Stik Elite is a well-made, lightweight fishing rod that is easy to transport to your favorite fishing hole. Don't be fooled by its small size. It's extremely strong and has impressive fighting power, as demonstrated on several occasions when we hauled in fish that appeared to be too large for this rod. This ugly stick was also versatile enough for a variety of fishing techniques, such as dropping a hook with a worm on it or casting with a lure. It was also one of the best ones for balancing, as it sat comfortably in our hands all day. The KastKing Blackhawk 2 Telescopic. When it comes to versatility, the KastKing Blackhawk 2 Telescopic rod is as good as it gets. It can fish from the lakeshore as well as an ocean jetty, which we did on several occasions on the same day. It also provided a high level of sensitivity, allowing us to feel what was going on in the water. And because it's telescopic, transporting it was also a breeze. It was a compact 1 foot 10 inches in its travel state. This was especially useful when hiking to a few secret spots. The Cadence Fishing CR5 Spinning Rod. If you spend a lot of time fishing in streams and rivers, the Cadence Fishing CR5 Spinning Rod could be ideal for you. It provided accurate casts, allowing us to consistently hit the hole where the fish were hiding. Its design was also impressive, and in terms of sensitivity, this rod was one of the best, allowing us to detect even the smallest bites and set the hook with ease. Choosing the right fishing rod increases your chances of success. Your personal fishing style is an important consideration. Do you intend to spend the majority of your days casting from a boat, or will you be casting from the shoreline more frequently? Whatever it is, there is a rod here designed specifically for you. We hope this video was helpful in deciding on a new rod. So, plan your next fishing trip, go fishing, and catch that trophy fish. If you like this video or found it useful, do go ahead and hit that like button for us. And subscribe for more upcoming fishing content.